Powering the future. The vital role of electrical engineers. What is electrical engineer? And how to become an electrical engineer? And how much get packaged to electrical engineer? And what is job responsibilities as an electrical engineer? To understand for detail, stay with us till the end of this video. If you are new, then like the video and subscribe the channel. Electrical engineering plays a pivotal role in shaping the modern world. Electrical engineers are the architects of the technologies that power our lives, connecting us, informing us, and driving progress. These innovators bridge the gap between scientific principles and practical applications, transforming ideas into reality. Their expertise in electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism enables them to design, develop, and enhance systems that are essential to our daily lives. As we venture further into a future defined by technological advancement, the demand for skilled electrical engineers continues to grow. These professionals are at the forefront of innovation, pioneering new frontiers in areas like renewable energy, telecommunications, and automation. Whether it's developing cutting-edge medical devices, designing sustainable energy solutions, or advancing the capabilities of artificial intelligence, electrical engineers are essential to solving global challenges and shaping a brighter future. Building the foundation. Educational pathways to electrical engineering. Embarking on a journey to become an electrical engineer requires a solid educational foundation that equips aspiring professionals with the knowledge and skills to excel in this demanding field. A bachelor's degree in electrical engineering or a closely related field like electronics engineering serves as the cornerstone of this educational journey. Accredited engineering programs provide a comprehensive curriculum that delves into the theoretical principles of electrical circuits, electronics, electromagnetism, and digital systems. Students develop a deep understanding of these fundamentals through a combination of classroom lectures, laboratory experiments, and hands-on projects. Many aspiring electrical engineers choose to further specialize their knowledge and skills by pursuing a master's degree or a doctoral degree. These advanced degrees provide opportunities for in-depth research, specialization in emerging areas like nanotechnology or robotics, and enhanced career prospects. Beyond formal education, continuous learning remains crucial for electrical engineers to stay abreast of the latest technological advancements and industry trends. Attending conferences, participating in workshops, and pursuing professional development opportunities ensures that their skills remain sharp and relevant throughout their career. Skills and qualifications tools of the trade for electrical engineers. Beyond academic qualifications, aspiring electrical engineers need a robust set of skills and qualifications to thrive in this dynamic and ever-evolving field. Technical proficiency is paramount, encompassing a deep understanding of electrical principles, circuit analysis, and electronic components. Proficiency in computer-aided design, or CAD, software is essential for creating detailed schematics and designing complex electrical systems. The ability to analyze and interpret data from simulation and real-world tests is crucial for optimizing designs and troubleshooting issues. Effective communication skills, both written and oral, are vital for electrical engineers to convey complex technical information to colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. Strong problem-solving abilities and an analytical mindset are essential for identifying and resolving design challenges and optimizing system performance. Moreover, teamwork and collaboration are highly valued traits in the collaborative world of engineering. The ability to work effectively in multidisciplinary teams, often involving professionals from diverse backgrounds, is essential for successfully bringing projects to fruition. Powering innovation. The diverse responsibilities of electrical engineers. The work of electrical engineers is as diverse as the technologies they help create, spanning a wide array of industries and applications. From designing microchips that power our smartphones to developing renewable energy systems that reduce our carbon footprint, their contributions are far-reaching. In the realm of telecommunications, electrical engineers are at the forefront of developing faster and more reliable communication networks. enabling seamless connectivity across the globe. They play a crucial role in advancing wireless technologies, fiber optics, and satellite communications, connecting people and information like never before. The automotive industry relies heavily on the expertise of electrical engineers to design and integrate the complex electronic systems that power modern vehicles. From engine control units to advanced driver assistance systems, these engineers are shaping the future of transportation. In the healthcare sector, electrical engineers contribute to the development of life-saving medical devices, imaging equipment, and patient monitoring systems. Their innovations enhance diagnostic capabilities, improve treatment outcomes, and enhance the overall quality of patient care.